Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, today we will discuss the poem Where Do All Teachers Go? Dear students, this is a poem that is composed by Peter Dixon. Dear students, in this poem, the writer, the poet has described about the teachers. What does a teacher do? Okay, how does a teacher live his or her life? And what does a teacher eat? Okay, students, in this poem, it has been described that what a teacher do and how a teacher is leading his or her life. Okay, students, it is given at the page number 67 of your honeysuckle book. You just open the 67 page number of the book honeysuckle. Okay, students, just see, it is given. Dear students, you all know that for a little children, or a little child, teacher is a special person. Okay, it is written here, for a little child, a teacher is special. It is difficult for a small child to think of his or her teacher is an ordinary person. Dear students, when we were also a small child, we were also thinking that how a teacher is leading his or her life. What does they do? What does he or she do at home? Okay, students, we used to consider that teacher is a special kind of person who is just like God. Okay? So we are very curious. We were very curious at that time that what the teacher do at home, or how a teacher leads his or her life in society. Dear students, it is written here. Just see the poem. First stanza, there are so many stanzas given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 stanzas are given here, and in each stanza there are 4 lines. Okay, so just see. Where do all teachers go when it's 4 o'clock? Do they live in houses and do they wash their socks? Just see a rhyming scheme of this poem. Just see, this is very rhythmic. You can see clock and socks. Just see the pronunciation. Clocks, socks. There is rhyme scheme. Where do all the teachers go when it's 4 o'clock? And do they live in houses and do they wash their socks? Here the poet is here curious to know about the teachers. Just see, it is written here. Where do all the teachers go when it is 4 o'clock? When it is 4 o'clock means when the bell rung for leaving the school. It means it is the time of departure from school. At that time, where a teacher go? At that time, after school, where a teacher go? Okay, this is the question. And just here, the poet is asking that where do all teachers go when it is 4 o'clock? 4 o'clock is the time when the school leaves, when the children go to home from the school. So this is the departure time in the poem. It means after school where a teacher goes. Okay? The poet is asking. And do they live in houses? He wanted to know. The poet wanted to know. Poet is a small child here in this poem. And he wanted to know that do they live in houses? क्या टीचर घरों में रहते हैं, हाउसेज में रहते हैं? Do they live in houses and do they wash their socks? And do they also wash their socks as we wash our socks? As we or our parents wash their socks, our socks. In the same way, a teacher also washes his or her socks. This is a question. It is an innocent question from the side of a child. A child is asking that where do the teachers go after 4 o'clock? And do they live in houses? The child wanted to know that do they live in houses as the children live in house, as we live in a house. In the same way, teachers also live in houses. And do they wash their socks also? Okay, students? So here the poet is curious to know that what a teacher do. He is asking the question in the first stanza. In this, there are so many stanzas. In each stanza there is a question regarding teachers, related to teachers, related to the life of teachers, related to the work of the teachers. Okay, so just see here. Come to the next stanza, stanza second. Dear students, if you have any kind of problem, you can ask on WhatsApp. So just see, students. Do they wear pajama? The child is asking, do they wear pajama as a child wears? Just see, do they wear pajama? And do they watch TV? The child is curious to know that a teacher also watch TV. And do they fix their noses? As a child always fix their noses. Every time, all the times, maximum time. In the same way, teachers also used to pick their noses. And same as you and me. Same as you and me also fix our noses time to time, number of times in a day. In the same way, teacher also fix their noses. Fix their noses the same as you and me. The poet wanted to ask, the child wanted to ask that as we fix our noses time to time, in the same way a teacher also fix his or her nose. Okay? So here the question again, how the teacher is living his or her life. Just see, come to the next stanza number 3. Do they live with other people? The child wanted to know that as a child lives with so many people, with so many children, a child plays with so many children. In the same way, do they live with other people? A teacher also live with the other peoples? The child wanted to know. The child is curious to know. You see, do they live with other people? Have they moms and dad? You are also asking that have they moms and dad? क्या उनके भी माता पिता हैं, मम्मी पापा हैं? A child is curious to know that as a child have moms and dad, in the same way our teachers have also or not. So just see, have they moms and dad? And were they your children? And were they your pets? क्या जब वो बच्चे थे तो क्या वो भी गंदगी करते थे या वो भी गंदे थे? And were they your children? And were they your bad? They were also a bad child when they were a small child. Okay, so here the child is asking the question that how a teacher lead his life. As a child was bad in his childhood, in the same way when the teacher was a childhood, he was also doing so many notorious things or so many bad things. Okay, so just see. Come to the next stanza, stanza number 4. Did they ever never spell right? Did they ever make mistakes? Here the poet was saying that, asking that they were never spelled right, ever never spelled right, and did they ever make mistakes? As a child commit mistakes while writing and spelling, in the same way a teacher also used to do mistake, used to commit mistake. As when we were child, as a child commit mistakes while writing, there are so many mistakes we find in the copy, in the notebook of a child. In the same way a teacher also used to commit mistake when he was child, when she was a child. The child wanted to know कि क्या टीचर्स भी गलती करता था. Why the child is asking this type of question? Because the child considered that a teacher is a special kind of person. He or she never commits mistake. Teacher is an ideal person for a child. Okay? So just see. Did they ever never spell right? Did they ever make mistakes? Were they punished in corner if they pinches the chocolate flakes? Here again the child is asking, the poet is asking the question that were they punished in the corner of the room? As a child commit mistakes if they pinches a chocolate flakes. So many times we observe that in the classroom there are so many children eat chocolates in the classroom. At that time when teachers found or when teachers find that a child is having the chocolates silently, then teacher punishes that child in the corner of the room. In the same way a teacher also used to do when he was a child, when he was a student or she was a student. Is he or she also punished in the corner of the room? The poet wanted to know, the child wanted to know because he has curiosity to know about the teachers. कि क्या टीचर्स भी कभी कार्नर में चॉकलेट खाने की वजह से कार्नर में जाकर उनको पनिश किया जाता था? So just see students, come to the next paragraph. Next stanza. Did they ever lose their hymns books? Hymns means a kind of religious book, prayer book. As you have books of diary you have. I think you all have got from the school, diary. In the diary there is so many prayers given, plays given. So many things are given in your diary, school diary. In the same way, when the poet used to study in the school, there were hymn books, means religious kind of books, prayer books, in which prayers are written. So, क्या होता था? Did they ever lose their hymn books? क्या वो कभी अपना hymn books खो देता था, भूल जाता था? Did they ever leave their greens? Greens means green vegetables. Here, as you also left the lunch in your tiffin, in the same way, the child wanted to know that did they ever leave their greens? Greens means greens vegetable. क्या वो अपने टिफिन कभी छोड़ देते थे? लंच बॉक्स में ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स जो रहते थे छोड़ देते थे? Did they scribble on the desktop? Dear students, it is very bad habit that students also write so many things on the benches, on the desk. So here the poet wanted to know that a teacher also used to do this. क्या एक टीचर भी यही करता था? जब वो पढ़ता था टीचर तो वो भी डेस्क पे लिखता था. You see, did they scribble? Scribble means write or draw something on the bench. You see here, did they scribble on the desktop? The poet wanted to know that, a child wanted to know that when a teacher was a child, when a teacher was a student, at that time he or she used to write on the desktops. The child wanted to know. And just see, did they wear old dirty jeans? As a child wears old dirty jeans. जैसे एक बच्चा गंदे जीन्स पहनता है, उसी तरह क्या टीचर्स भी कभी जीन्स गंदे पहनता था? Okay, so these are the questions, these are the innocent questions that a child wanted to know, that how a teacher used to lead their life, or how a teacher is leading a life. Okay, so students, come to the next, that is the last stanza of the poem. Just see students, did I'll follow one back home today. Now the poet is saying that I will follow one day, एक दिन मैं पीछा करूंगा. I'll follow one back home today. The poet is saying that I'll follow one back home today. I will find out what they do. And the poet is also saying that he will find out what a teacher do at home. Then I'll put in the poem, then I'll put all the things what a teacher do at home, how a teacher lead his life in the society, what a teacher wears, what a teacher eats. All these things he will mention, the poet will mention in his poem. Just see. Then I will put in the poem that they can read to you, so that they can read to you. Okay? So students, here in the last lines of the poem, in the last stanza of the poem, the poet is saying that one day he will follow the teachers and he will find out that what a teacher do at home, how a teacher lead his life or her life, and then he will mention all the things in his poem so that everyone could read, everyone could know about the teacher's life. Okay students, so this is all about the poem in which the poet wanted to know that how a teacher leads, how a teacher leads his or her life, and what a teacher do for the society or for himself or herself. Okay students, so this is all about the poem. It is given at the page number 67 and 68. Dear students, you will revise this poem. You will try to learn this poem. You will try to understand the meaning of this poem. Okay? If you find any kind of mistakes, any kind of doubts, any kind of confusion in this poem, you can ask on WhatsApp. Okay students, so there are so many questions given, questions and answers are given. Working with the text, that is also given at the page number 68. You can see that you have to do. Okay, there are so many questions, there are 5 questions given in your book, and the second question is given, what do you think these phrases from the poem means? There are 2 phrases given, you have to tell the meaning of that. Dear students, I will send the notes of these question answer and phrases, and that you have to write in your honeysuckle notebook. Okay students, so that's all for today. Thank you.